welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing an install on this wig that was sent to me by WOWAFRICAN wigs. I really love working with this company, and I have purchased before and had friends purchase before, so I feel totally comfortable talking in depth and giving my recommendations on this company, even though it was sponsored, so keep that in mind. But this is how the little PR package from them looked. I don't think all their boxes come this gifted, but I do know they do come with the satin bags and the wig cap and the instruction manual as well included. So one thing I love about this company is that they do offer ready to wear wigs, meaning that you don't have to do any plucking, any bleaching. Like, their wigs are meant to be, if you pay the extra money, because they have like different tiers. If you pay the extra money, I believe this is their clean hairline unit. And this comes already plucked and bleached, as you can see right out of the box. All you gotta do is just go ahead and install it. Either you're doing glueless, or just slapping it on. It also has a headband in the back of it, so definitely perfect for beginners or for my girls who don't feel like doing all that extra work and don't feel like paying a hairstylist. You can pay them the extra money to get this work already done for you. Here's how it looked out of the packaging. As you can see, she's plucked. The lace is nice and thin for easy installation, and the knots are bleached, and it already comes in the middle part. So since I wanted to show just how like great this wig is for just like a ready to wear install, I decided not to do any baby hairs in this look and just install it as is. This was a 13x6 wig, so it had like a nice long middle strip parting, but as far as the side part, it wasn't 6 inches. I think it's like a standard 4. But I'm just gonna go ahead and install this wig and show y'all just, you know, a nice classic, simple, you know, easy to wear look.
Myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compare. When you cheat, we'll lose women. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I'm I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I got myself. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I've cried. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I got myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat when you're swimming. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realize I got myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.